the rules for image formation for concave mirror. We have two type of mirror, one is concave, one is convex. So, first for rule of image formation using concave mirror. So, there are four rules. First rule, this is the parallel light parallel to principal axis. After reflection, it passes through focus. Rule number 2 is basically the converse of first rule. If the light ray incident on the mirror through the focus, after reflection it becomes parallel to the principal axis. Rule number 3, if the light ray is incident on the concave mirror through the center of curvature, it will be reflected back along the same track. Reason? Because the radius of curvature is normal at any point, so it will be reflected back normally. The rule number 4 is again the converse of this rule number 3, that is, if the light ray is making certain angle with respect to the principal axis, it will be reflected back with the same inclination, because at point P this principal axis is normal. So, angle of incidence should be equal to angle of reflection. So, these are the four rules, and with the help of these four rules we can locate the position of image of any object kept in front of the concave mirror. And for location of image we need intersection point. So, we can apply all the rules or minimum two rules. So, I am taking the two cases, one for real and one for virtual image. So, this is the concave mirror, this is the object, and this object is placed beyond center of curvature. So, how will form the image? If the light ray is parallel to principal axis, it reflected back and passing through the focus. If the light ray is incident on the mirror through the focus, after reflection it becomes parallel. So, what you see, this is the intersection point of two reflected rays, and this is the position of the image. So, A dash B dash will be the image in respect of the object AB, which is kept beyond center of curvature. And what you find about the characteristic of the image is real, because in actual the reflected rays are intersecting each other, inverted because it is just opposite to the position of the object. Third, it is small, its height is less than height of the object, and position wise it is very clear, it lies between focus and center of curvature. So, position wise it is between focus and center of curvature, small in size, inverted and real. Now, one case for the virtual image, there is only one option for the virtual image formation using concave mirror. This is the concave mirror, and the object is placed between pole and focus. So, only when the object is placed between pole and focus, image will be virtual. How? See, if the light ray is incident on the mirror along the radius of curvature, it will be reflected back along the same track. Or if the light ray is incident at pole at certain angle, then according to rule number 4, it will be reflected back with the same angle. So, what you see, these two reflected ray cannot intersect each other. So, only the option to get the intersection point to extend in the backward direction. So, when we extend in the backward direction, B dash is the intersection point. So, A dash B dash will be the image in respect of object AB, which is placed between P and F. And what are the characteristics of the image? Characteristic of the image is it is virtual, because there is no real intersection point. The second, it is enlarged, its height is more than height of the object. And third, it is erect, its direction is same, it is erected image, and it is always formed behind the concave mirror. So, except these two, there are other cases, and with the help of these rules you can locate the position of image and find the characteristic of the image according to the position of object.